everyone, welcome to Food and Spices. Today we'll be showing you how to make apple rose pastries. अगर आप ये वीडियो उर्दू में देखना चाहें तो नीचे दिए हुए लिंक पे क्लिक कीजिए. These are the perfect treat for Mother's Day or if you have any guests over, and they're so easy to make. So let's begin. To make these apple roses, we will be needing these ingredients: a 1/3 cup of butter, a 1/4 cup of honey, 2 apples, half lemon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a half teaspoon of cinnamon powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 sheet of puff pastry. We can begin by mixing the following ingredients in a bowl: the butter, the honey, the cinnamon powder, the vanilla extract, and the salt. We can mix all of these well together and set them aside for later. Now we can move on to slicing the apples. We can do this by cutting the apple in half and removing the core. If you don't have a core remover, you can always use a spoon in this way. Once all the apples are decored, you can set them aside and prepare the water for the slices. In a separate bowl, pour 2 cups of water and squeeze half a lemon into the water and set aside so that it is ready once your apples are sliced. This will prevent the apple slices from browning. You can now use a mandolin to slice the apples, or you can also use a knife. Once all the apples are thinly sliced, you can place them in the lemon water and microwave them for 45 seconds. Now we can lay out the puff pastry and use a small knife or a cutter to cut the pastry into 2-inch strips. Now we are ready to assemble our apple rose pastry. Spread the butter mixture over the pastry sheet like so. Once the butter mixture is spread thoroughly over the sheet, you can place the apple slices and overlap them like so. Once the apple slices are placed, you can fold over the pastry sheet up towards the apples and gently press down. Now you can gently roll the sheet from one end to the other to make that rose shape. At this point, you can preheat the oven to 375 degrees, and once all of these are completed, you can place them in a silicone cup or a cupcake pan and place them in the oven. Let these bake at 375 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes. Once ready, let them cool for 5 to 10 minutes so that the butter settles. These ingredients will yield about 5 to 6 apple rose pastries. We also sprinkled some icing sugar, but that is optional. Our apple rose pastries are now ready. Just look at how beautiful they look. They are also so perfect for Mother's Day. Do give these a try because they taste delicious. If you tried and enjoyed this recipe, please give us a thumbs up or comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for weekly videos. Thank you for watching.